Luke with your Crawlspace guys. We do all things Crawlspace, sump pumps, dig outs, you name it, foundation repairs. So today we're doing a sump pump. We're going down in this Crawlspace. It actually already has a sump pump. And we run into this a lot though, where somebody installs a sump pump and that's all they do. And usually it's not installed properly anyways, but even if you do have a sump pump, without a trench system, most of the time the Crawlspace is going to have water issues. So it's the middle of August or the beginning of August, and there's water, there's mud down there. You would think it would dry out by now, but the water's still there because what happens is it gets on top of the vapor barrier and then it has nowhere to go. So we're going to go down there, we're going to put a trench system in between each bay of pier pads. We'll dig a trench. There's a basin down there that we're going to utilize. We'll put a new sump pump in. We'll tie in to the low point drain that's there. The low point drain, it ties into the downspout drains and it goes to the street.
So this is the original pump. We're gonna call it a pumpy because it's a little dumpy. It's allowed quite a bit of mud in the bottom of the basin, which is not good. That'll plug up the pump.
And now, the pump works. Hello, my name is Colton. I'm with your Crawlspace guys, and we dig what we do, and that's literally, let us do it for you because you don't want to do this. You don't want to get muddy, you don't want to get insulation in your hair, and you don't want to fight the crocodiles either. So we'll do that for you. All right, we got her all finished. We're gonna wish you a happy and dry Crawlspace. And remember, your Crawlspace guys are the only company to call. That's right. Merry Christmas.